Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you all about fun new things we have. Today is a new day, trying to get out of my we're not going on a cruise funk and all the dramas that's going to go with that. And I'm going to show you all our fun new things. So today is pre-order day for our brand new mini kit. So this is the mini kit here, so a cute little mini kit. And this is the stamp in the kit. It's called Kookaburra Party. It's got this cute little Kookaburra family. It's adorable, so that one comes in the kit. You get this beautiful Gumleys stencil in the kit, cute little cut apart sheet with lots of sayings on it, a beautiful wattle laser cut, and of course the fun little book. So there's also ideas, in the book of this gorgeous little Kookaburra family that the girls have done, and this is using that laser cut. Aren't they adorable? We're lucky enough to be able to hear the kookaburras at work, so they're here in the bush. Also, as an add-on to that, of course, you can buy the matching fussy cutting die. Now, there's also another release. Our eucalyptus branch stamp has been discontinued. We had some issues with licensing on that one, and so we have drawn this one. It's a new one called Gumleys branch. So this is the new stamp replacing our discontinued one, and of course, you can get the matching fussy cutting die for that one too. So let me just show you a few more of the ideas that you can make with these stencils and the stamps. Very beautiful. And of course we've got the new eucalyptus Gumleys branch as well. So that is our Kookaburra Party release. This one is pre-order now, shipping from the 20th, and all your stores will have that available from the 20th too. We have got our, as I said yesterday, our new cruising collection. So this is a collection pack. There's only 12 sheets in this pack, so the RRP on this one is $21. And there's also a little cruising laser cut sheet you can get, and this is the cruising cut apart sheet. I'm going to very quickly show you. You do get a bonus cut apart sheet in the kit, or in the collection pack I should say. This is on the back, printed on the back of the cover sheet, so that is in the pack. And these are the papers, so great for backgrounds, the blue wood grain and the grey burlap, two of that one. Cute little life-saving rings and a nice wood grain on the back of that one. A beautiful chevron, and this is like a cute little nautical theme. This is actually a really good collection just for boys too, so it doesn't have to be cruising or sailing or anything, but just for boys. Lovely nautical theme. The stars are great for boys as well. And we've got this cute little one here and some red chevron on the back. So that is the cruising pack, which is now on our website too. This is the sea blue pack, again just 12 sheets in this one, so slightly smaller collection. This is the laser cut. Oh, let me show you, that is like a net. And this is the cut apart sheet. This is kind of more of a beachy theme, and of course you get that cut apart sheet bonus on the back of that. So there's some nice beautiful wood grain and some just regular colour burlap. There's this really cute anchor and just a lighter burlap on the back of that one, 2 sheets of that. Can't pick them up. The little seahorse on that one, nice just little wavy background. This one's got the shell on it, which is a great size to fussy cut out, and the compass on the back. This one has got the orca and the wheels and the anchor on the back, and this is just a nice little kind of, I don't know, crafty stripe, and that beautiful sea blue wood grain on the back. So that collection is also on our website now to pre-order, all shipping on the 20th. Thank you so much for all your kind messages about our cruise. It has been a lot of work, and we do have a lot of things to follow up now, and it's a new day, and let's be happy that we're all safe and we understand why it had to happen. So thanks guys for your support. New products, we're very excited about them, and we'll see you soon. Bye.